So today we're at Frisco at Maker's Gym, and I was asked by a photographer to come and do like a specialized class for them. And so we did a little bit of business talk, and now we're doing some lighting work, just to show them some different types of lighting that they wouldn't normally do. I tend to try to get people to push outside their boundaries. So the business portion of it, I didn't go into too many details about it, but just to kind of give them an idea about how to do work-life balance, how to use automation to help them with their stuff, and then just making a plan and getting their business going and understanding what it takes to be successful at that. So today I was showing them that just because we use flash doesn't mean that we have to go all out with it, how we can use it to kind of just barely add a little kiss of light to their photos, and how we're just enhancing the light that is already there, not necessarily just blasting them with light. And then also how to look for the details of where the light is hitting your subject and how to make adjustments for that. So instead of just I'm going to place my flash here and it's going to just be right on my subject type stuff. So people that attend my classes, my main thing is I just want them to get a little bit more outside of their comfort zone and try new things. I think what happens a lot of times with new photographers is they get comfortable with doing the one thing that they're really good at, and then they won't step outside of those boundaries and be able to be even more creative than what they should. So I want them to be unlimited in what they're trying stuff.